Have you ever wondered why you can buy solar panels with simple MC4 connectors, click, plug, and power, but you never see high-voltage batteries that connect the same way? I mean, they both use DC electricity, so why can't we just plug in a battery like a solar panel? Well, the answer comes down to safety, current, and engineering reality. MC4 connectors are everywhere in solar systems. They're waterproof, snap together easily, and can handle up to 1000 volts DC. On the other hand, high-voltage batteries, like those in electric cars or Powerwalls, often operate in the same voltage range, sometimes even higher. So at first glance it seems like MC4s should work just fine, but they don't, and for good reason. Imagine how easy it would be if you could just connect your battery pack to an inverter using the same connectors your solar panels use. No tools, no wiring, just plug and play. But here's the problem: MC4 connectors were never designed to carry the kind of current batteries produce. A single MC4 connector is typically rated for around 30 amps. Solar panels rarely exceed 10 amps per string. Easy work for MC4s. But batteries, they can push hundreds of amps instantly. Run that through an MC4 and it'll overheat, melt, or worse, catch fire. The second problem is DC arcing. If you unplug an MC4 while current is flowing, the arc that forms can destroy the connector or even cause burns. Solar panels are designed to be disconnected only when there's no current flow. Batteries, however, are always live. You can't safely unplug them without special protection circuits. High-voltage batteries fall under strict safety standards, UL, IEC, CE, which require enclosed connectors, mechanical locks, and electrical interlocks. That means the connector has to communicate with the system to make sure it's safe to connect or disconnect. MC4s don't have any of that. They're just simple physical plugs. Solar panels only ever feed power in one direction, from panel to inverter. Batteries, on the other hand, charge and discharge. If you reverse polarity even for a second, you could destroy your inverter or battery pack. That's why battery connectors are keyed. They can't be plugged in backwards. Batteries store massive energy and must follow industrial-grade safety rules. Connectors are often locked behind covers, accessible only to trained personnel. MC4s are designed for user-level systems, but battery connectors are for service-level systems. That's why you won't find MC4 ports on any certified high-voltage battery product. Real-world systems use specialized connectors like Amphenol PowerLock, Anderson SB, or TE Connectivity HVIL designs. These connectors include built-in interlocks, pre-charge resistors, and shielding. They make sure no current flows until the connection is fully secure. Something MC4s simply can't do. MC4 connectors are built for convenience and moderate voltage. Battery connectors are built for control, current, and safety. Different tools for different jobs, even if the voltage looks similar on paper. So the next time you see those simple MC4s on your solar panels, remember that simplicity only works because of how solar arrays behave. Once you step into the world of high-voltage batteries, everything changes: current, risk, and responsibility. And that's the real reason we'll never see high-voltage batteries with MC4 connectors. Enjoyed this? Like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, comment if you made it this far here.